dalane dia. Odika. Odi kata benda ka.
Enti donji.
Ambato. Nenda kwa wadwa.
Okay, ami yule kai kada uka kapiko na nebo.
Ila uo.
Kada uo kuja.
Mapeng apenji. Mapeng maneda ko ni cha.
Ma to peng mana nyeo bwana. Ma maneda ko na cha.
Bero chuo cha ma yo mamera. Tukora penji. Tukoro peng ni anga otimre ka.
Ingeni stand ka ingeni no ketrega.
Ida uo.
Ada uo mati.
Ta penji bisenge ke motimore.
Ango.
Omera oina no wodi joka tieno mawa joka juang. Mawa joka juang ogwang. Ogwang e biro kawuono.
What? To you see ngene nyapa.
Bera de mos.
Oni iko na gino chon.
Bokati ko ni mbako mera.
Ena ngoma no timre.
Nganyisi ni ya. Adi Facebook.
Nyasaji.
Facebook matine jidhiane. Omera yudo ka wodi joka molo no sutore wodi joka molo biro kawuono. Koro kimetim. Wabaka wale kisos, wabaka ocheto royo, wabaka odino be, to achak wabaka omuso diel.
Mane mondo wati odong,
mondo wati ne. Oselor gi ndege entie.
Oselor.
Ndege oselor.
Tanga dia nende kata ndege bwana, puka nenu ndege bwana.
Puka ndege. Ndege wati.
Wati bwana.
Ndege oselor.
Bwana oselor.
Dumi kuru ndege oselor kano. Ndege kuru oselor kano. We wado yare. Odika. Odika. Alexos.
Ai, ote matino kula. Ote matin. Na wadu. Ote matino.
Odule tingale kama.
Okwa bro bedo.
Nge wodi joko molo ma ochodore constituency. Ojana moro mano di America cha. Jamaica ose lorendege nitiere osebiro chodore grao.
Wati monga.
Mano wadi bwana. Poko ido mogo moro bwana.
Chigi nitie.
Yega onge.
Chigi nitie dwa be next month.
Dago onge.
Wadaka wagoya. Agwecha jabikwa.
Adir.
Mondo wadi uru.
Wadi uru.
Wana se dia twende.
Wadi uru bwana. Wadi uru.
Wadi uru bwana. Modo mochodore constituency. Sani ne ochodore ground se donjo.
Timo nango
Anga puri team ose ya US wodo wadi. Ni kure. Ochodore ground.
Udala.
Ose biro dala. Wadi uru. Wako bakata. Nda kone koda pangu mukisitas. Misong ne. Ada pelan. What is? Natane gi pesa. Wasa donyo what is? Do I go back? Nyasa chela nyisi wade win.
Ipana ngamukodo bale chulo.
Wade win.
1 quarts back.
1 quarts 1,000.
Thank you. God bless Kenya in this pandemic period.
Yes. You're welcome.
I'm back. I'm flying tonight.
Yes.
But before I go back, I have only one thing to put across.
What is the thing? Pussy ngadi gino kan.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm back. I'm flying tonight at 3 o'clock.
Nice.
But before I go back, I have come here to tell you that Corona is real. Do you know Corona is real?
Yes. you know it's real.
Yeah. I want to say that let us combat this pandemic. And I want God to help Kenya in this pandemic period. But before I go back, I have one thing to put across. I want to appeal to the government of Kenya to officially open churches. If churches cannot be opened, then let the government to close bars. If they want usuru, we are ready as churches to give them, because we are the blessed people. Are you getting me, people? Are you getting me?
Yes.
But I want to tell you, always, wherever you are, wear a mask, keep distance,
Keep.
wash your hands, and you will survive. But I want to say, we Christians, we don't fear death. We want the government of Kenya to open churches, because if we die in churches, we are automatically going to heaven. Are you getting me right?
Yeah.
Are you getting me right?
Yeah.
I want to appeal again to the government that before I go back, I want the government to open officially
Yes.
Ombido. Are you getting me? Are you getting me right?
Yeah.
I want the government to officially open Ombido. Not just Ombido, but Nyasochirate. Are you getting me right?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless Kenya. God bless America.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.